Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel, and here I have my new releases that are coming out this Thursday, basically today, March 16th, in preparation for the big sale that is happening tomorrow, March 17th. Let's just get right into it. So the first collection is the Violet Blooms, and this is actually based off the color palette from the Made in Canada Planner collab sale. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then those two little ones for the deco, and these come in white matte or clear matte. And then you have the circles, paint swatches, and the quote and washi. And these sticker sheets are 3.5 by 4.5, and like I said, come in either clear matte or white matte, and you can buy them individually or all together as a set. So that is Violet Blooms. Next we have the Irises collection, and this one, it took me forever to get the shading just right and the detailing just right. So these are all hand drawn by me, and this comes in either white matte or clear matte. I actually prefer this in the clear matte, so it looks like watercolor done on your page. And then you've got the circles, the swatches, and I love using the swatches to create headers in my planner that will match exactly what deco I'm using. And then you've got the quote and washi, and this is actually good for even just a 1-page spread. This is why I love the quote and washi. If you got a daily page in your cousin that you want to decorate, or even 2 pages in your cousin that you want to decorate, this is the perfect amount of stickers for that. So that is the Irises collection. The third collection are the Daffodils, and this one, again, the shading and the details on here are what I love about this. And there's also like little watercolor splatters in there, but just the daffodils, you get 4 deco on that deco sheet. And then you've got the circles, and I wanted this to look like fountain pen ink, just pooling like that, and I really love the effect of that. Then you got the swatches, and there's a little bit of an ombre effect in there as well. I didn't want them to just be plain yellow and green. There is a bit of a watercolor effect in there as well. And then the quote and washi. I love this one. I have pollen for spring, meaning fallen for spring. Yeah. So that is the Daffodil collection. The fourth collection is a little bit different for Easter. I created the watercolor Easter eggs, and the color palette isn't your typical Easter color palette. I've got like a dark purple, a pink, and a blue, and these are all again done by me in Procreate, and I just love the watercolor effect. This is currently printed on the clear matte, but again, you can get it in the white matte as well. So there's the deco sheet. And then you've got the watercolor circles. Again, I added a little bit of detailing to make it look like just watercolor rather than just a plain circle. And then you've got the swatches. Again, I love these. These are some of my favorite things. And then you've got the quote and washi. So excited. Was there any other pun that I could have used for the Easter eggs? So that is the watercolor Easter eggs collection. Again, you can get individual sheets or as one full collection. And then the last of my collection, so I have 5 collections in total this month. This is the birthday collection, and this is in commemoration of me turning 40 this month. So I created a little cake deco here, cake here, and then the presents. I actually really love the presents. They're my absolute favorite, and I love the colors. The colors of the presents actually match the sprinkles that are in the cake here. So I wanted to tie that all together. And this one is currently printed on white matte, but again, you can get this in clear matte as well. Then the circles, which are more solid color because the collection isn't done as watercolor. And then the swatches, and then the quote and washi. And I just want you to take a look at the washi here and just the detailing of that. And then this one I feel very, very strongly about. Birthday cake calories don't count. All right, so that is the birthday collection. But wait, that's not all. So with these collections, one of the things that I wanted to do is actually release them as printables for you. So that'll be something new coming to my shop, is that any collection created from March onwards will now also be available as a printable for you. So look out for that coming to the shop as well. But wait, there's more. So I also decided to create mini icons, and these icons I will show you in my Hobonichi cousin here. They fit in the 2 hour squares of the Hobonichi. So I wanted to show you, for example, it fits in the 2 squares for the hour. It fits within the hour time block here. And that's exactly what I wanted the size to be. And you've got that fitting into the time block because I wanted them mini, and then you've got the YouTube one there. So I'll show you all the icons that I have coming out on Thursday. So firstly, we have YouTube, and with these icons, you can get them in clear matte or white matte. Happy Mail, and these icons are all hand drawn by me. I love these ones. These are might be my favorite. And then the laptop for work and television. I will be using these a lot because I watch movies nightly with my husband. And then some weather ones. So we've got the sun, and you can see there that they are kiss cut. And then the cutting machine. I actually really like these. Then cloudy, rain, snow, groceries, so cute, garbage, love that. I think this one's also my favorite as well, the laundry. Like, I love the little socks sticking out there, really, really cute. Exclamation mark, hearts, book, pause, running, and lastly weights. So there's 18 different icons, and they're in my mini collection. I'm still working on, there's a lot there already, but I'm still working on creating a lot more of these. So again, these are available in white matte or clear matte, and they'll be out in the shop Thursday, March 16th. And every order placed in the month of March will receive this freebie. This measures in 3.5 by 2.25, same as the icon sheets. They actually measure the same size as the freebie. And in this one, you get the 4 paint swatches, 2 circles, and 3 floral deco. You've got a script sticker and 2 icons as well. So there are all the different collections. I'm actually really excited, but also, just to be perfectly transparent, I just finished working on these collections like Wednesday morning. So this morning, to get them filmed, to get out for you guys for Thursday. And I really love the icons. Let me know which ones are your favorites down in the comments below. And once again, there is a big sale, the Made in Canada Planner collab sale, that is happening March 17th. So if you follow me on Instagram, or actually follow them on Instagram, you'll be able to see what the code is for tomorrow, March 17th. And I'll also post the code here on YouTube as well when the sale starts. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my shop. I am so grateful that I get to do this and that I get to experiment with art and also use my own stickers in my planner. You guys make that possible. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Take care and have yourselves a great day.